everyone, my name is Ariana and welcome to my channel. So I bought this MKill Beauty advent calendar from Target for $14. It's normally $20, but it was on sale. If you haven't seen my previous Target advent calendar video, please go check that out. That's the reason I got another one, because I really thought that was a good value. And it says it has over $70 value. Now this is the 12 mini icons collectible beauty surprises. I'm excited for this. It feels heavier than I thought it would be. It feels like it's a lot of stuff in there. And on the back of it, it has all of the items, and it also says perfect for gifting or keeping. MKill Beauty mini icons collectible beauty surprises contains 12 miniature makeup products. This set makes a gorgeous gift for beauty loving friends, or save it for yourself to experience MKill Beauty products you love or might not have tried before. The adorable minis hidden inside the set are the perfect size for packing in your handbag or travel kit. So I'm expecting small sizes, like small sample sizes of the products, but I like minis. They're cute, and I can try out different things in like a mini size, so that way if I don't really like it, I'm not wasting a big regular full-size product. So this is what it looks like when you open her up. It's so pretty. I like the pink and red. So we're gonna start with number one. I guess you just pull it out and then open it. Number one. And on the back of it, it tells you what it is. It's nice and wrapped. And it's the Extend Lash Mascara in this little white tube. That's cute. I'll add it to my mascara collection that I've gotten recently from doing a few of these advent calendars. Now let's open up number two. I like how these are wrapped in pink wrapping paper. Oh, it's this cute little heart-shaped powder puff. Number three. Oh, I love the color of this. Hair and Brow Magic Wand. Kind of looks like mascara. It's a clear gel. Let me see. Because I got some little flyaways right now. But the color of it is beautiful. I love pink. Number four. This is adorable. Miracle Flawless Pressed Powder. I like this gold color. Look at that. Oh, it's a little mirror in there. This is cute. It's just like a little cute mirror too. Number five. This is their cheek and lip tint in the dusk color. It's like a really dark, deep color. Number six. This packaging is super cute. It's Super Glow Golden Drops. Now, I've never used this. It says skincare infused illuminating serum with a soft golden glow for every skin tone. Shake well, wear alone, or add a couple of drops to your serum, oil, moisturizer, or foundation for a natural golden glow. Oh, it sparkles in there. It's really sparkly. And it's their gold color. Number seven. It's a Magic Blender Sponge. It's a pink beauty blender. It's cute, little. Number eight. Seems a little bigger. Oh, this is cute. It's a Miracle Flawless Setting Spray. I'm actually gonna try this one next time I do my makeup. I really like the look of it. Number nine. It looks like a bigger box, but it feels really light, like it's something small in there. This is a peptide lip treatment, and it's the buttercream one. Let's see if I put it on. It looks like it's pretty much clear though. Yeah, so it's like a clear. I kind of already have like a little tint on my lips. Feels fine. It has like a vanilla scent to it. Is it clear or is it white? I don't know. It looks like it's a little like clear and white. It's like a clear white. It actually smells really good. Like I can smell it on my lips. Number 10. It's their grip primer. I think this little bottle is really cute. I'll try this one too. The green color feels festive, you know. Christmas, red and green. Number 11. It's their Perfect Pout Lip Liner Cheeky Chat. Looks like that. That's the color. So I don't really wear lip liner. I feel like my lips have a natural lip liner color of their own already. Okay guys, this is number 12, the last one. This is their Super Glow Bronzing Drops. in color bronze. Yeah, shake well. It says radiance in a bottle, suit every complexion for a radiant lit from within glow. So I feel like it adds like a little golden hue to your skin. So this is everything it came with, and for the $14 I paid, I'd say it's a pretty good deal. So what did you think of the advent calendar? Do you think it was a good deal? Would you buy it? I think the packaging is super cute. I love it. I even put all of them back in there because I'm going to have this set up in my office. I just love the packaging. I love the look. I love the colors. So beautiful. So when comparing this with the other advent calendar I got from Target, this packaging is way better. But in terms of what was inside the advent calendar, I like the other calendar better. I think it was a better value, and I think it had more products that I would use, but it didn't look as cute to me as this one does. But thanks so much for watching. Let me know what other videos you want to see from me. Let me know if you like this advent calendar. I think this will be my third advent calendar video I did. Let me know if you like these. Also, feel free to check out the many links I have in my description. I have my Amazon storefront, my Like to Know It, my Instagram, my Snapchat, my couples YouTube channel that I have with my husband, and many more links for you to check out. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.